Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, Hacking the Sony PlayStation Mini Part 8. Today I'm going to show you how to change game overlays. Let's get started. At the PlayStation, I'm going to find a game that I know has the incorrect game overlays. Let's find that game. In fact, all of my Nintendo games have the wrong overlay. As you can see, it says Sega CD on each side. I don't want that. I either want it to say Nintendo or nothing at all. I'm going to press start and select at the same time. I'm going to scroll down to on-screen overlay, press X. I'm going to scroll down to overlay preset. As you can see, it said Sega CD, and I'm going to find the Nintendo one. There it is. Click X. Here I can turn overlay on or off, or I can hide it. Once I've selected the overlay, go back and go to overrides, save core overrides, save contact directory overrides, or save game overrides. So these are pretty self-explanatory. If you save it for the core, it'll save it for everything within that core. If you save it for the directory, it'll save it for everything in that specific directory. And if you save it for the game, it will save it for the game only. So let's go back to the game and see what it looks like. And there you go. It says Nintendo on the side now. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.